Welcome everyone. This is Satyam Pathak. Today we will learn about the foundation and its analysis. So basically what are foundations? We will learn about what are foundation and how it is analyzed. In building, the topmost part above the ground level is called superstructure and below the ground level it is called substructure. So foundation is defined as the part of substructure which is in direct contact with ground to transmit the superstructure load to soil. Now, what is use of foundation? Foundation distributes loads to the larger area. It supports the structure, provides stability to a structure and gives level surface for superstructure. What are importance of proper foundation? So basically foundation holds the structure onto the ground and provides stability to the structure. It also prevents tilting of the building and minimizes seepage of groundwater. Now we will learn about different types of foundation. So basically there are two types of foundation. First is shallow foundation, in which the width of foundation is greater than depth of foundation, and second one is deep foundation, in which width is less than depth of foundation. So in shallow foundation there are four types: pad foundation, strip foundation, raft foundation, stepped foundation. And in deep foundation there are three types: caisson foundation, drilled shaft foundation and pile foundation. Basically deep foundations are used where soil is unable to bear high load. Now we will learn about the selection criteria of the foundation. So basically selection of foundation is based on two perspectives. First one is loads from building and second one is type of soil. From loads from building perspective, if there is low rise building of large span, then shallow foundation can be used. If there is high rise building, short span, then deep foundation can be used. And if there is framed structure, multi-story building and loads concentrated at point, then deep foundation can be used. From type of soil perspective, if there is differential settling, then shallow foundation is used. And if soil can't bear the loads, then deep foundation is used. That is, if soil stratum is loose, so we can use the well foundation or caisson foundation or pile foundation, etc. Now what is the objective of foundation design? So basically objective of foundation design is to provide a stability to the building and increase its serviceability. So now we will learn about what are the basic design procedure in foundation design. So basic design procedure in foundation design are: first one is assessing site condition. Here soil investigation report is prepared, soil strength and bearing capacity is measured. Second one is calculating anticipated loading, that is loads from the building, load type and points of application of load is calculated. Third one is choosing foundation type, that is what is soil condition, what are incoming loads and what is a structure type, and what is economic and time factor, and what are the construction problem. And fourth step is designing the foundation, that is finding the footing area, thickness, material used, reinforcement detailing used. Now we will learn about what are the software used for analysis of foundation. So basically mainly software used for foundation is for analysis of foundation is SAFE 2016. So what are the advantage of this software? It occupy low disk space and it gives better design processor. It is used by top design firms in industry and it is free to use evaluation version because it is cheap and is easy to learn for students. So advantage of using software is that it is more efficient It helps in lowering the flaws. It has greater flexibility and time saving. Now we will learn about how to install SAFE 2016. So here are the steps shown to you how software is installed. Every step is mentioned. I am not showing it on computer because my computer is not working. Sorry for it. You can see it and install it. These are the introduction to SAFE. How to initialize the model. These are the basic drawing and operations in SAFE software. You can see here every steps. This is the start. You can initialize by these steps. These are further steps. Now I am going to show you the project what I have done. So basically this is my project, that is design of isolated footing. The question is given as design an isolated footing for the following cases, that is load given 300 kN, dead load, live load 140 kN, dimension a square column 500 by 500, reinforced bar size 20 mm, and material properties are given as you can see. So these are calculations, and here is the design steps in the SAFE software. These are the steps as shown in the SAFE software, how you can analyze and design the isolated footing. You can see here. I am not showing you on software, sorry for it. These are steps you can see clearly. These are steps. So this is the final step. Analysis and design. You can see this is the step of detailing of reinforcement.